तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो
गणेश भगवान रिद्धि से गणेश as a representative of Truden, Hari Om. Narayana Namaste. Okay, just talking about that person. It's so big. That big one, wrong. That comes from a book.
Everybody don't
Om Gananandwa Ganapati. What would you call it? Yeah. Very good. Wafa Yotika Cosmetic offering Chandan Sanjuradi. Om Gam Ganapati Num Gananandwa. Ganapati Gunghawa Mahe Priyanandwa Priyapati Gunghawa Mahe Nidhinandwa Nidhipati Gunghawa Mahe Vyasomama Aham Jangar Bhadama Tvam Jasigar Bhadama Sri Man Mahaganadhipate Swasti Sri Man Mahaganadhipate Namaha Indrudan Haridan Kamadam Say Om Durvang Purang Gananayaka. Gana means Lord Ganesha. Om Durvang Purang Gananayaka is dear to him. Om Kandat Praduhanti Parukha Parukhaspari Parusha Parushaspari Evano Durvipatanu Sasre Durvang Purang Samarpyami Devta Devi Pujam Jayami Avayami Sapyami Pujami. Om Yeah, after you are very proud. Yeah, look, we have mala here. Very small one for the city. She is planted up and made from two. Instead of the flowers alone, because you know, you is dear to him. Presence of Durvasa and the Kathai already. Hari Om Durvang Purang Gananayakam Om Alis Gandhini Malyadi Malya Malyatadi Nivedam Mayan Pushpan Puja. Ganesh Vahan moves the Johara, moves. I mean that riding the Rath is a symbol of that nothing is impossible for him. Able to overcome obstacles and bring success. Right? Overcome problems, not only mountain wealth problems. Right. You have after your flowers, you always do arti and then offer your prasad by offering a puja for whatever you have. This hand, please accept all these things. The flowers, the chandan, and they all put the haldi and sindoor and haldi and all these things. Oh, what offering you have to put in his hand or anything? Any sweet thing?
Yeah, we have person.
Before you offer, oh Bhagwan, Ganesh, be pleased to accept any particle of the best from your prasad. This is what it is, right? That you're offering fruit, you're offering laddu, you know, you have that. So, you all meditate and say, Om, Gam, Ganapate, Namaha. Om Gam, Ganapate. Ganapati Devta ki jai, Gajanan Swami ki jai. Praises with your glory, with your Lord. Ganesh Mahaganapati Devta. Sprinkle water.
Could you guys some?
Just some. Sprinkle water and then you will offer your flower.
That's the pinch of fingers, isn't it?
That rice was an offering to me myself at the end of your flower. That's how we do every day.
Okay, good.
Where your water? Pratham Pani Achmani Madhyam Pani Om So Hari Om Uttar Poshnam. We are sinners, we are one sin, please forgive us as we sprinkle these few drops of water. If you have a kasaili to offer now, you can offer it. If you have a pan beva to offer, you can offer it now. Om. In big tree that you have here. See this here, kasaili. Om. Yat Purukhena Havityayam. You have a kasai this way? See if you get a kasai. That rice is to offer as an individual. Offer this kasai. And
No offer.
will offer the pan beva. You offer that too? Alright, we'll offer that. Om idang palang mayadi was tab idang pultas tawti ni so after bawi idang. Right, your bow was your offer now. Bow.
Offer is the power.
Everything you offer bow. You put water bow. You put flowers bow. You put a kasai bow. You put pan beva bow. Send.
No, I didn't say that.
Send to the shrine.
We could go now when we're done. Baba, when we finish, we go?
Yeah, but watch, don't go too far. We're not going to puja when you go.
Over there?
No, and it's in
Oh, okay.
right?
Yeah.
And then the Baba puja, yes.
Before we
Yes, Madam Baba, you know. See if offer. I'll see if I can put it more and put up one thing more. Anything you have, one thing more, yeah? What you have there for Western and Jerry?
Because we live in the US.
Yeah. Okay, you offer the prasad. However, listen, very please on this.
Get on inside.
Yeah. Okay. When you finish off a parcel, let the others offer the flowers on the right. Look, Bhaiya here have a watermelon you want to offer. Yeah, sure. Of course, you will be doing after too. Yeah, also by only. But when you do not again, you'll be doing it again. Jai Baba. Sahaja जबरदस्ती से निकलने ना आयुष में आदि बंगाना देवी से let everybody offer a flower one by one on your rice, whatever you want. You put down flower, rice, and together. One by one, right? Gam Ganapate Namaha. Gam Ganapate Namaha. Gam Ganapate Namaha. Gam Ganapate. जय गणेश देवा माता जानकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा ओके पापा है ना हरि ओम एक दंत दयावंत चारि भुजाधारी माथे सिंदूर सोहे मूस के सवारी हे दुखियों के दुख हरत परमानंद बोलो श्री गणेश भगवान की जय हो। बोलो श्री गणेश भगवान की महागणपति देवता की When you trade that they had here with everything, there's some Gananayaka, right? You made a mala with you. Oh. Cool Mali Siman, Malayagi Siman, Malitari Prabhu. Okay, I forget you. I know the Emelan heavy. Yeah, where to fit now? This is from your one now. Ganapati Devta ki jai. Om Papu Pap Karmam Papatna Papa Sambhava. Trahim. Yeah, put your front out. Trahim. Yeah, God bless. What is that? Okay, alright. Right.
If I want him to share right.
Okay, what the other one has it?
The same thing.
Okay. Anyway, Ganapati Baba Moria Mangalam Moria Ganapati Namo Namah Siddhi Vinayaka Namo Namah Ashta Vinayaka Namo Namah Ganapati Baba. You all when stage all them person. You all when you all join me too. But you now come. You all one year before when all of them who performing. But you now come. Nobody all of them who want to appear in the summer. You all with them? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we'll go. Because you know we did the other puja, we offer water, chandan, tikka, flowers, arti, all those things. So all you know we offer the prasad, you have a little blue open and go. If you wish to put one of what you have here, can fit. That's good. Mahaganapati Devta ki jai ho. We are born successful because Lord Ganesh, you bring knowledge, you have success, you get rid of problems, sins that we have committed, but we have incurred before the wrongdoing, and so all of us, we are human beings, we have many shortcomings. Om Durvam Puran Gananayaka Om Kandata Praronti Parabhaparashati Evano Durve Pratam Sahasre Chatinch Durvam Puran Samarpayami Hari Om. देवता की जय हो जय हो। जय नारायण। दुखियों को दुख हरत वर महागणपति देवता की जय। परम प्रधानम पुरुषं तथान्य विष्णु जगते कारणमीश्वरं वा तस्मै नमो विघ्न विनाशनाय तस्मै नमो विघ्न विनाशनाय। हरि ओम। आचमनं च प्रथम पानी आचमनी मध्यम पानी षोडश ओम उत्तरपोषणं वाद्यं च स्नानाचमनं च समर्पयामि। फलानि ऋतुफलदानं च समर्पयामि। गणेश रिद्धि सिद्धि गणेश गणपति देवता पूजा गणपति देवता पूजनम। बोलो श्री गणेश भगवान की बोल। Bow their heads with love and devotion. Yeah, take it for yourself. Give them the
Yeah, take that chance.
Yeah, take a chance. I'll bow and then put your dew, put your flowers and so on. You know. Om Durvam Puran Gananayaka. Durvam Puran Gananayaka. Om Kandat Praruhanti. Parukha Parukhaspari. Evano Durve Patanam Sase Chatincha. Durvam Puran Samarpyami. Next portion compressed. What Om Namah Shivaya. Dam Ganapate Namaha. Which is good not only for prayer, also for heart. The Rishi is prescribed, good for medicine to like acai. Hello, Sri Ganapati Devta ki jai. Put anyone on the fruits here. The handful now, so I can't tell you. But if you could fit here, you can with it. You can have Om Ganesha Riddhi Siddhi Ganesha Vahan Pujanam Pula Pushpadanam Ritu Phalam Danam Ganesha Gananantra Ganapati Devta Pujanam. Body Melan offer. Who will in that? Very next. Okay. Hold, nah, just off how one. Say Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. You have to touch it very lightly, touch about the head. Somewhere that you put. Do it to the
Heavy weight, we have to stretch over that.
Hello, Sri Mahaganapati Devta ki jai. So, it's good now. You have so many different foods. Foods were only guava, and now you have these like cherry. Well, carrot back, either take it for prasad, or shall give them to share. Anyone you choose. It's a blessed offering. But we are Ganapati Jal. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha Deva, Mata Tera Parvati Pita Mahadeva. अंधन को आँख देता कुरियन को काया बाजन को पुत्र देता निर्धन को माया भव से पार करो भजन करो जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश माता तेरा पार्वती पिता गणेश Danan, Pushpadanan, Durvadanan, Durvampuran Gananayaka. Mahaganapati Devta ki jai. Glory to you. Praise it. We thank you again and again, Lord, because we take it for granted. You give us humility, you give us knowledge, you give us wisdom. Oh Lord, I want you to give us life, everything. Thank you for your presence. Say prana pratishthantu yasya prana charantu cha om hari om. It's alright. Maybe one thing. Sumritascha kadantascha kapila gajkarnaka Lambodarasya Vigato, the gigantic form. Look at it with that is big, form. Look, Lambodar, the big belly, accept everything. That's how you really got that. And all these happening, accept. Was it weird? This could put it right here because it's really for Shiva, but in this case we didn't Ganapati Puja, which is son of Shiv Shankar, right? Somebody said it is carry. This is how you say this. Darbadhanam. Davyam Chesa. Tajikana Lamboda said, Vikito, Vikanaso, Nakanacho, Arachandro, Gajanano. Yeah, keep on repeating. Anyway, the unfull as I wanted to tell you. But now we did our drinking and everything and same during our ears. So all we did is offer the prasad, do flowers of course. Om Bhul Mali Sugandhi Himalayani Sugandhi Himalayani Ve Prabhu Maya Kani Pushpani Puja Kapati Pushpalam Samarpayami Hari Om Om Pushpadanam Chalanam Where we can go over here or here. Right here, the other side where I can see. Kanda Parukha Parushaspai Durvadanam Patiyadam Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha Siddhivinayaka Namo Namah Siddhivinayaka Namo Namah Ganapati Baba Moria 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 Ganapati Baba Moria Mangalamurti. Same Mangas, welfare, peace, well-being, happiness. The same Murti, and we not take it and offer it and we walked out. But I wanted to give them dancing Sunday. Who don't have time to particularly I went in one day, Sunday was the picture. And from mud, the mock dirt that he got of Mother Parvata, Jai. Om Hari Om Suklam Bharatara Sasi Varnam Prasna Vadam Thai Sarva Vigno Prashanti Sarvadan Patitam Mula Pushpadana Mahaganapati Lita Pujanam. Yeah, which is good. I'm rooting for it. What after this one? Gold up now. One stage what? Gold now. What I get what I'm there. Fine up. Being full wood after, right? And have to something to turn up. Mahaganapati Devta, you all want to stage with all of them or anything. Right. We did all this water cut to say do already, so flowers are we all we offer the prasad and flowers and bowing now. So who's next again? Om Kanda Kanda Parukha Parukha Parasha Parasha Evan Devadansa Durvam Puran Samarpayam Ganesha Vinti Siddhi Ganesha Vahan I follow you what you are doing. Vitu Phalam Danam Ganesha Vidhi Siddhi Vidhi Siddhi to consort Shakti and Vahan is the Vidhi which is Ratuha music. Music is Mathe Sindhu जो तेरा ध्यान धरे वो अब हम चेंज अपॉन यू जो तेरा ध्यान धरे ज्ञान मिले उस knowledge not only know it you want to do practical कष्ट करो दिया let us be happy be holy be happy don't find way happy anything sweet let go of anything else you don't want right. Take the whole Harian takes on go and touch back the head. You don't want like that too? Yeah, I said it. It went, but I don't carry that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Bless off. And this is what Prasad means. We could offer anything. We could offer free, like we could offer something still about that. But when it's blessed, then it's Prasad. Gam Ganapati Sri Ganesha. You just say Sri Ganesha. Sri Ganesha is a continuous love and devotion. We don't have to say anything too long. You know, we know love is enough. You know, short, say very delicate. I just see that in your face every day.
Yeah, sure.
Very delicate. You don't have to
The full set?
yeah, anywhere you wish to offer anything, if it's one thing or more than one, that's up to you. No, but keep some like you do some bond, you don't be like a blessed man for us. I don't need to share when you keep it. Right? We give someone blessed to eat. Yeah, but something left like one year. गणपति द्राक्षे फूल पुष्पदानम right? There's so much more. God bless you and your family. All of you, not only you, all perform especially. And somewhere sit and listen or need something with prayer. Okay? Right. Go again. Yes, here before they go, I've done for that got the flower. So come, you offer your own water. Come. Offer your own water. They offer it. Yeah, on your door, by your door. Anyway, you wish to do devotion instead of the truth. Ganesha, Riddhi, Siddhi. What again? Ganesha Bahan, quite correct. You wish to offer tikka, look, you have sindoor, you have hardi, look. See if I answer none of it. Geometric problem. Right? So, sindoor here, make sure you put one here. Sindoor. Mate sindoor, beautiful crown and sindoor. You have raised this whole soul, where the soul resides. Energy, you lift it, you know. When you have a headache, you think of some problem, you think of God, spiritual energy. So, you have flowers? Yeah. I don't have flowers. Cosmetic offense in the Chanandana, the Tangan, the Tangan. You think of the synergy, I will look at you. Come. Just bring it is about 1 minute for now. Sergeant, yeah, Pasha. I know what the that's fine. That's all fine. Yeah,
You have everything?
Already the book come?
Yeah.
That you do that. Right, this is from here for you. Anywhere you want to do it. Share, you don't want to put something here, you put something there. You sitting anyway, what did you eat? This is, you did this on behalf not only yourself, look at all these people behind you. And some sit down there too. On behalf of the members of the temple, on behalf of not only the executive, the members and people who come to General. Floor members, executive members, all members. Hindustan, Shiv Mandir.
Baba, Panchauti.
Panchauti, yeah, that's a group. Yeah, look channel here, Don't ask me now. You find Baba hide it from you. Flowers offer. You have? Where is it? No, I'm Mala. That's for Baba. Alright. Cool.
Comment, Baba, we comment.
Yeah. Give me one too. Let me get a little change of lesson too.
What time?
Right. Where you offering? Come. Hold my hand. Let me offer to come. Jai Bhagan. You offer Arati. What this is? This is your prasad. There's something missing from the box. You have to put a little Kandata. Durvankuran समर्पयामि Guru Durvankuran Gananayaka Ganesh Yagya Pujanam Ganesh Pustak Pujanam. They have different books now. They have Brahma Vaivat Puran, some Matsya Puran. Hello, Sri Ganesha Bhagwan ki Jai. Jai Ho. Glory is with you, praises with you. Bastadana. Alright? Oh, you know, I find you Tobelian book more than people who are telling now. And Gucci. How that come then? Very good, very you are careful about it. Good walking. Right?
Babi puja
So, wow. Yeah. You're offering Barasa?
Yeah.
Sure? But these are the Kailas.
Take this.
Oh, you bring it in. Alright.
What is that, the Bandira? Wait a minute, Bandira? What is that doing? Oh, money? Oh, you supplying, you financing this
No, what is it? Well, every day, what I say here, we have some.
Connected here.
Oh, pustak. Bubula. Ipadana. Daramadana. Daryam. Dakshina. Samarpayana. When I get finished, don't forget the Baba and somebody else pulled up. Namaha. Ram Haram Vishnu Sashivanam Devam Sashivanam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadnam Dhyayeta Sarva Vigno Prasante. Close Maganapati Devta ki Jai. Yours in nombre? Okay, very good. God bless you. Ganesha Bhagwan Namaskar. You allow success to flow in our lives. Siddhi Vinaya Baba Moria Mangala Moria Ganesh Yagya Pustak. This is the book, the script. Ganesh Katha, whether you Brahma by Puran, by what गणेश का खाए गणेश यज्ञ पुस्तक पूजना
श्री गणेश के चरण लगे सरस्वती को चितलार परमहंस शंकर सुवने भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवने भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगपति शंकर सुवने भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवने भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन तेरी सदने गजबदे विनायक तेरी सदने गजबदे विनायक कृपा सुंदर सबलायक कृपा सुंदर सबलायक शंकर सुवने भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवने भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन मोदक प्रिया मोर मंगल दाता मोदक प्रिया मोदक प्रिया मोर मंगल दाता मोदक प्रिया मोदक प्रिया मोदक विद्यावादी बुद्धि विदाता विद्यावादी बुद्धि विदाता शंकर सुवने भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवने भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन मानस तुलसी मानस तुलसी दास जग जोगी मानस तुलसी मानस तुलसी दास जग जोगी बस हो राम सिया मानस बोले बस हो राम सिया मानस बोले शंकर सुवने भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवने भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गणपति गणपति सुनो सुनो भारत के अवलाद में मैं वेद की कथा सुनाता हूँ, मैं कथा सुनाता हूँ। सुनो सुनो भारत के लाल में मैं वेद की कथा सुनाता हूँ, कथा सुनाता हूँ। सुनो सुनो भारत के लाल में मेरे कथा सुनाता हूँ, मैं कथा सुनाता हूँ। त्रेता युग दशरथ को गृहा अब रामचंद्र में जन्म लिया, विश्वामित्र को संगवानों में राम लखन में गमन किया। एक बाण से रामचंद्र में असुर तरकाट मारा, चरण दूर दीना बन में अब गौतम नारी को तरा गया। सुनो सुनो भारत के लाल में मेरी कथा सुनाता हूँ, कथा सुनाता हूँ। सुनो सुनो भारत के लाल में मेरी कथा सुनाता हूँ, मैं रामचंद्र ने जन्म लिया, विश्वामित्र को भगवान ने राम लखन में गमन किया। एक बार से हटिया सुनो सुनो भारत के लाल में मेरी कथा सुनाता हूँ, मैं कथा सुनाता हूँ। सुनो सुनो भारत के लाल में मेरी कथा सुनाता हूँ, मैं जनकपुरी में हर्ष को तोड़ा। Sound check. One. Principal Vindravan Biharilal Ki. Everybody, let's all stand as we do arti. Short arti. Ajam cha varti sanyukta Brahina yojitam mayam Deepam grihana devesham Trailokya devilapaham we've done worship to Ganesh Baba. And tonight, ma'am, tonight is our last night. We will not get to meet tomorrow. At the lunchtime, our packing prasad, packing meals. Mother, because of your grace, the togetherness, the village, the ladies who are lit every day, busy hustling, bustling to get the work done. Mother, if nothing was achieved, the togetherness of this family, it was re-enlightened, it was reinvigorated. So many different homes, so many families from all over the place coming together for one common purpose. Mother, we thank you. Om Sarva Mangalama Shive Sarvartha Sharanye everybody, lift your voice. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Prabhupada Mahadev ki Jai. Everybody please take your seats. Make yourself comfortable. If Kevin, what's his name? If Kevin, warehouse manager Kevin, is here, please make your way to the stage. I'm not sure if you're here. Tonight, everybody, I have a couple of questions to answer. I have one thing to go over. But everybody said, for those that called today to ask a question, they said one thing about don't waste time giving any speech. No time for that tonight. Please listen to the discourse tonight. My last one for this year. I'm Ganesh Baba. About how sometimes people get distracted. Distracted from various things, but in tonight's discourse, we'll hear about the distractions of lust and what happens to one fellow and how he's able to overcome it, to control himself. In addition to this tonight, as we touch on the why would a person who is having this problem, why would he go to Ganesh Baba? And that comes from Shipuram when they replace that head upon his head, his body. The elephant head is now placed upon his body, and there's a decree that is made that is tied into this thing. And to my now, we just brought my book to get soaked with coffee. Someone asked me about last time we were talking about a person who had problems, delays in getting married, a young boy. And they were listening over the radio and they heard make mention of this thing called Shani Grah. And many people do not have the experience to know what are the features of a Shani Grah. How you're going to know if you're under the influence, or your husband or your wife is under the influence of this person. So in a nutshell version, I'm going to just run through what Shani, in a negative sense, what he can do to your life. And then it is left to the person to know what prayer could be done to better yourself. Specific prayer, specific mantra, specific prashchitkara, when we are talking from Gurdwara, things that help yourself, that you could do to benefit yourself. And then in the end, Nandi, I need to get up here, Shiva, right? In the end, we are going to do our Ashirvad part. Gita books were passed out. It is said that when the yajna is going to be completed, the person who gets to give the Gita book, he gets untold certain amount of blessing. So rather than one person, well, I don't know what he was doing. I give out a bar. Everybody is going to get an opportunity to make the offering. In addition, I spent the whole day preparing for these children. I hope I have enough children here. I have enough gifts, I'm sure. And for everybody that made gifts, that is a part of the prayer. This part is also very important. So in addition to listening to your Kathatana and chanting and singing, the Templar team, with the help of people like Uncle Ramsin, have prepared flowers, bluegrass, etc. for each person to make offering. Please do not waste this opportunity. Don't do this. Let's enter into Brahmdai Bhakturam, where Katham Ganesh Baba continues. Pahi pahi, pahi pahi, pahi pahi, Gajanana, Parvati Gajanana. All those people that are pregnant, this Pahi Pahi simply says, dear Lord, help me, save me, rescue me. For all the pregnant girls sitting in the temple, sing along and ask Ganesh Baba to help you. Hold that prayer. Lambodare Gajanana, Lambodare Yashyami Gangarnatha Dashyami Parvatinath Udaha Kamman Hoya Kiya Yashe Deva Gatmandar Pahi 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 Gajanana Parvati Gajanana It said at one point, Mario Baba, Parvati Mata were talking upon Kailash Parvat. Ganesh Baba is standing very close and he's plucking flowers. What type of flowers? Madar flowers, Datur flowers. He's collecting these articles for praise and he's going to offer prayer to his father. And in this instance he's going to pray to Krishna Bhagavan for peace, for shanti within his body, within his mind. Ganesh Baba wants to be happy at all times. And as a result, he does his Krishna Puja. And it is said, when Lord Vishnu continued this in harmony, it was so timed that at that moment when that preparation for prayer was going on, disturbance comes again. Kubir, the god of wealth, the person we discussed the other night, full of arrogance. Today he comes very humble and he says, Prabhu, Umane Baba, I have come just to see your beautiful face. I have come to see the atmosphere in Kailash Parvat. May you please allow me to spend just a little time with you. And in this tone, he is allowed to enter into the circle of Lord Shiva's family. And whilst he's sitting, listening to Mario Baba speak, listening to his teachings, it is said that from the corner of his eyes, he noticed Parvati Mata coming with Chariyan, Tali and Lota and all these things, again preparing to do her morning Sangha. She is not concerned with who is her husband speaking to, but here Kubir starts to, and Lord Vishnu describes, he says he starts to watch her figure, her narrow waist, her legs, the beauty of her hair as it flowed down. Everything that makes a woman beautiful, Kubir started to pay attention to it day and day, forgetting who she was, forgetting that she was that Jagat Janani, mother of this world. And as he now forgets Lord Shiva, his gaze falls and remains on Parvati Mata. Let's hear what happens. As Devi Ma, sometimes you're doing something and you realize somebody's watching you, or you get the feeling somebody's watching you. Adi Shakti Mata lifts her head. The mother of Lord Ganesh lifts her head and she feels as if somebody's eyes are on her. Let's see what happens when this moment comes. Jai Ganesh Bhaktatam What does she do? She says Ganapati, and she sees that the eyes make four, and she realizes that Kabir is raping her with his eyes. She instinctively she calls on Ganesh, and Ganapati Baba dropped the flowers, and he came to here to see what was mother's problem. Ma, for the children here, he went and said, Ma, what's up? What's the problem? Ma, what's the trouble? He didn't say, I come in just now. You know, we all have that tendency, somebody calls you in urgency. Hold on, I'm coming up. I'm finishing this phone call now. And I'll give it to you that one. Mommy, we break. I'm putting it on the phone. Ganesh Baba, he acts different. Listening to his mother tone, he comes immediately. And he doesn't have to say anything. Her eyes are still on Kabir. And shameless Kabir. He didn't wake up from that, that little swoon he was in. He didn't feel shame. He didn't feel, that she dropped her head. He continued to look at her. And I guess in his mind, Kuch Kodai was playing with something. Something was going on in his brain. And in some people's mind, in some men's mind, a lady might be very angry, very upset that you are looking at her like that. And in some poor fella's brain, but like she like me. Kabir is in that trap. And she looks to her son and she looks back at Kabir, and Ganesh Baba, he reads the problem. And Ganesh Baba, with full force, not as calm and loving as he was before, now you're interfering with his mother. Now you are a guest in our home, but you are making my mother feel very uncomfortable. You're looking for trouble. Let's hear what he says to Kabir as he addresses Kabir. Jai Bole Baba Darshanna. Jai Bole Baba Darshanna. Prem Sarvamapati Mahadev Ki Jai. He says, "Oh, you unrighteous person, how dare you call yourself a guest? In our Dharma, our guest is our God, and our God is our guest. How dare you come in the guise of a guest, or you demonic-minded person, and come here and make my mother feel uncomfortable?" And he takes his fist and hits Kubiru one cuff in his face, and with that cuff, he knocked him down on the ground. And with that lash, it is said that a demon that had the power to travel as a spirit, let's say as a ghost for children to understand, came out of his body, came off his body. And this demon, who is known for lustful thoughts, he's known as Lobha Asur. And he says, "Oh Ganesh, today you have removed me from the mind and body of Kubiru. Why have you done this? Don't you know I was reveling, I was enjoying the thoughts, the lustful thoughts that was coming from his mind." He says, "From time to time I feel of that negative energy when prayerful people become lustful. When people stray from their initiative, what they intend to do, and they go off track, I become very happy. Oh Ganesh, but I don't know where this strength came from, that you have the power to displace me from a person's heart and a person's mind." Ganesh Baba threatens to hit him again, and he says, "So long, O stone-hearted one, so long as I am present, so long as my name is chanted, that person that is going to enter into Tirat, Yatra, prayer, Vrat, Tapasya, Puja, however you call it, I will protect their body, I will protect their mind from today onward, from people and entities like yourself." Prem Solo Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai. He says, "Just as how I protect devotees from the effects of different types of girl, when I am offered prayer in the yellow form, when there's a yellow form of Ganesh, people who do negative prayer." What is negative prayer? Prayer with ill will, damage, detriment. When people go to the cemetery ground and pick up dirt and they call your name, they tie your name with blood and different ingredients in there. This type of prayer, when death is written in that type of prayer for a person, by doing puja for Ganesh Baba in a yellow form, who could do what they want. And remember what I say tonight. Who could do what they want. That negativity will go back where it came from. He says, just as I protect people from that form of harm, he says, I will protect them from you. He says, the person who has the worst type of girl, I am going to protect them. And likewise, I am going to protect them from you. Before I go forward, please listen to the effects of Shani Graha. First of all, Shani Devta is the one who affects the longevity of an individual. What does he do if he is not in favor with you? This is coming from the astrological science of our religion. He makes a person barren, preventing children. He makes a person very cold, unexpressive, unable to show love. A person becomes very nervous and secretive. When a person is negatively affected by Shani, there will be delays There will be denial, disappointment, disharmony, dispute, difficulty, despondency, dejection, and differences. Everything that you want to go for, I want to get a job, no, not today. I want to get a raise, no, not today. I would like to get married, not now. I would like to have children, no. Everything that you want to go forward with in life, I'd like to fix the house, build the house, whatever, no. Something will come up. The person becomes lazy, lethargic, idle. Every single little thing dissuades them from doing their job or doing positive or proactive action. When this planet is not in your good books, diseases that are hard to heal or hard to cure become your friend. They constantly attack you. For example, gout, palsy, bad jaundice, leprosy, consumption, spleen-related, and as a result of spleen, blood-related ailments. Chronic ailments related to the bones and the skeletal system. People that are hooked on alcohol and all other types of intoxicants. People that have bad acne, buttons, etc. People that have bad bruise or fall from great heights. Things that cause amputation, operation, fracture, curvature of the spine. Things that cause gallstones. These things and many others are caused by effects of Sandhuja. And it says when you do my puja, you'll be able to get help, you'll be able to get remedy, because he's called and considered to be the remover of all obstacles. He starts to describe what he will do. Sit down here. Thank you for coming. You know, to all the shade I've done this. He starts to describe the benefit of giving a pillow, mattress, honey, rice. Do you remember when Kubir wanted to feed everybody? And all the food he started to eat, the plate, the wares, the windows, everything. And it was the rice that he came with. The person that gives rice in that. Tonight when I'm going to be giving out some gifts to the people that receive the elephant, the person that has the elephant, it is a blessing, it is our special sign. And when done on a night like tonight, it brings certain types of blessing to you. The person that gives pearl in charity, we describe what the pearl can do, the silk thread, flowers, fruits with seed. I believe we have some extra apples in the kitchen. I think everybody can get an apple. When a person does these things, they get different type of blessing. For the person that will offer Ganesh Baba water, just water, know that if you have blood pressure related problem, I'm just touching on a couple because it will take me another night to describe the benefit of all these different offerings. The person who offers Ganesh Baba water, the person that has blood pressure problem, whether high or low, you overcome, you start to deal with that. The person that has a lot of sickness in their family, and this is why I give up the club. Sickness in your family, and you would like to take a prayer, dear Lord, you know my family, we are prone to have diabetes, heart attack, etc. And I don't want this sickness to take me prematurely. May you maintain my health, may you help me be healthy. May you help me try and stay on that right road when it comes to my health. This is what you're going to offer that cloth for tonight. For the person that has sickness, for the person that has problems, when offering the cloth, beside the Gurkhan aspect, when God is ready to take your soul, when He's ready to come for you, by the gift of the cloth that we give in every single puja that we do, you're saying, God, in that last moment, let me think of you, let me call your name. But tonight, for the purpose of maintaining health and preventing the onset of sickness, this is why we offer it. And secondly, for the person that is sickly, dear Lord, help me champion this disease. Help me overcome it. Help me to control it rather than be a slave to it. Tonight, as you do your puja, as he is discussing with Lobha Asur, he says, I am going to protect everyone. This is his promise. And he says, Lobha, if you come now and ask for my forgiveness, if you ask for my mother's forgiveness, you'll be able to get it. And a money by name of Rainier is passing through. And he says, oh son, you went down the wrong road. You made mistakes. You lusted behind a married woman. You wanted to touch a married woman and you didn't understand forget the husband, but by the power of her prayer, the damage it would have done to your life. But it is not late yet. Ask for your forgiveness. God, in this form of Ganesh, is the storehouse of forgiveness. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki jai. Lobha Asur drops his head. Drops his head to Ganesh Baba. Now there are many people that will think, how the demon could ask for forgiveness? Have you ever read chapter 9 of your Bhagavad Gita? For the people home on Skype, have you ever opened the book to see the latter part of chapter 9? I think you have a copy in your hand, find it. Look for it. It says, even if the greatest sinner, if the worst person in his mind says, I want to change, I want to be a better person, I want to be with God, I want to turn my life around and go to God. He says, before the person does anything, now you have to be serious about this thought. But he says, before the person makes an action or makes a step, but the correct thought is in his mind, consider that person siege. Consider that person saved. Because when you have that righteous thought and you make up your mind that, you know what, I'm going to put down the word. That, you know what, it is time for me at this age to be honest in my marriage. How could I do Ganesh worship? How could I offer prayers to Ganesh? And I just waiting for that lady to turn she back to play the game. Who am I fooling? When you're ready to come out of that lifestyle, Ganesh Baba is willing to accept you by the words of Lord Krishna. When people have made mistakes and you're ready to atone for those mistakes, God is ready. But sometimes we are ready to just accept the fact that we have made mistakes and we should ask for forgiveness